fact, I've never been on a date before. However, I have been on a fake date where someone asked me to just hang out. Then all of a sudden it was a date and I didn't know. Ooh, yeah, that was fun. It was like this guy with our mutual friends. He's like, let's hang out. And I'm like, okay, yeah. I was at a cosplay thing, actually. I was cosplaying a certain character. And I was mutual friends with this one guy. And he said, let's hang out at the bowling alley. And it was going to be me and all of our other mutual friends. I thought it was gonna be me, him, and our like 3 other girls that we knew, and then some other dude. I thought it was gonna be like all of us. I get there, and it was only him. And I was like, where's everyone else? And he was like, oh no, they'll get here soon. They'll come. They never came. I was like, bro, what? And like, you know, I wasn't gonna be a dick about it. I was playing it cool, hanging, like, it was okay, you know. Ooh, and then it got weird. He drove. I was like, okay, if we're done, I have to go home. We drove home, and he grabbed my face and he forcibly like kissed me. And I was like, bro, what the fuck? And I pushed away, and he said, aw, you didn't let me do it, and then did it again. And I was like, bro, are you fucking serious? Like, get me the fuck out of this car. And then he's like, oh no, I'm sorry. I'll just drive you home. No, it was bad. And then I should have just got out of the car. I should have just called my mom or some shit. I don't know. We got to my house. He did it again. He did it again. And then he said, oh, well, I was putting down the signs. I was like, what fucking signs? No, dude, the guy was legit like, I was putting down the signs. I thought you were ready. I thought you were preparing for it. I'm like, fucking what? After that, yeah, I got out of the car. I was like, yeah, fuck you, dude. And then I was talking to our mutual friends being like, you weren't coming? And they're like, no, we didn't even know that you were going and that there was a thing happening. And then I was texting one of those girls about what happened, and I stupidly accidentally sent the message to him. That was my bad. And then he was like, we can talk about it. And I'm like, I don't want to fucking talk about it. And then he was just texting how he thought it was obvious it was a date. I said I wanted to hang out. What did you think it meant? I'm like, are you a fucking idiot? I should have swung the bat. So, oh yeah, that I've never been on a real date before, but I've been tricked to go on a date. Yeah, if you want to date someone, don't trick them into a date. Even if you're scared of rejection, I guess, because it's not worth it. I regret just not getting out of that fucking car, though. Listen to me. This goes for boys, girls, everyone in between. If you are in a situation like that, get out of the fucking car. Call an Uber, get a taxi, don't let them drive you home. Because, you know, I don't know, something worse could have happened if they all be all. So if you're ever in that situation, go call someone, get an Uber, call your mom, whoever it is late at night, they will come get you. No matter what. Because something worse probably could have happened. If the guy was fucking more deranged than he already was. What a lesson learned!